Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add someone an admin of your Facebook group. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Facebook application, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and here you can see the option of groups. Click on that option, and once you click on that, then you need to click on your groups and you can find your group if you create it. So this is my group, and then you need to click on the members, and here you can see your all members. Click on see all, and here you can see all your members. And if you want to make someone an admin, you simply need to click on the three dots in front of that person, and here you can see the option of add as a admin. So once you click on that, and then you need to click on send invite, an invitation will be sent to that person to become the admin of your Facebook group. So this is a process by which you can add someone an admin of your Facebook group. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.